They don't look very tasty. Oh man. $18 million necklace.
$18 million necklace.
It was crazy.
She just undressed the mannequin. Ah!
Hey, show me what you have. Did you make that yourself? Show me your cool trick. Good job.
Dang it.
Ah, so close. Wow. Pretty cool. Where'd you find those? Are they yours?
Dance glasses.
So cool.
The carpet is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Back on the bus. This time we got seats all together. Makes the bus ride so much better.
Here, there's some trucks. Armored vehicles. Actually had a camera crew following like the guys that are driving it around. Tinted windows. Apparently what is in this truck, they're full of lottery tickets.
The bus is driving away and Bubba is left in the
It's time to leave. It's time to leave. We just left Bubba.
Now 2 minutes past.
Everybody return key.
Or it's because the armored vehicles need to leave.
Oh, that's why
It's because those armored vehicles need to leave.
Oh,
Look
there
at
he
that,
is.
they've got the police.
He's coming.
Oh, here he is. Look.
Don't cross the road. Oh,
Oh no, here he
He's coming.
goes. He totally listened to you.
Here he comes.
I had his best interest in mind.
Look the right direction. Look the right direction.
Those shorts look good though.
Oh.
Did you find it?
By the way, Bubba made it, but he lost about 4,500 baht. He went back to the room to get his money, and it was gone.
Cleaners were already there and his
Somebody
money
took
was
it.
gone.
Translate.
Look at this. That's my name. What's your name? And there's
Mine's
Sarah's
so
name.
short compared to yours.
So cool.
I'm not joking.
So apparently Bubba also means crazy in Thai.
Mentally sick.
Mentally sick.
Mentally sick and crazy.
We're here. We're at the kids' school. This is Thailand school. It looks like they're getting ready to maybe play a drum or something. They said something like exercise.
For their teacher to come and pick them up, probably. Now they're doing meditation. So this is like their opening exercise. They all meet together in the beginning for the first 15 minutes of school, and they do these chants and they do meditation, and I guess now they're gonna do exercise.
Something we don't do, like I guess recess is, but we don't do recess early, do we?
No.
Nice. And
My name is Night.
nice. That's you. And you. Oh, like this. You want to try? Oh, yes, nice. Oh, here. Oh, yes, just like this. Like that. These guys have been taking me around, and we've been reading books, and we've been playing, and we've been playing with the camera. We've had so much fun. Oh yes. Oh yes. We do this. 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 You good? Like that. Right? Come on, you candy, go get it.
Go get it.
Yay! So fun.
Bye-bye. That was so fun. That was so fun. The kids loved the drone. The drone came out and they flocked around it.
You can take
That
a
was
look
so
and
fun,
have a
and
picture
giving them
of a
candy and having them just come up and grab our hands and
the owner of the
Learning
house.
about them
So the
and
summer palace, first choice you can
going
walk.
to their classrooms.
Walk in, walk out. Normally I
Take their
spend an
shoes
hour
off.
here. But
Yeah, we
if
had
you
to take
don't
our
want to
shoes
walk,
off
they
to
have
go
the
into
other
their
choice. You can
classroom.
rent
It
a
was so
golf
cute
cart.
how they came and took our
Rent a
hands.
golf
So,
cart,
like,
you pay
grab
on
both our
own.
hands and
Rent a
run
golf
stuff.
cart is
Like,
400
come on,
baht per
let's
hour.
go. I wanna
You
show
can
you.
sit
yeah, and then read to us. They
for
chose
people.
an English
For
book
people.
and then a
It's up
Thai
to
book.
you
And
between walk
It
or
was
rent a
really
golf
fun.
cart. You rent a golf cart.
We went to the dollar store because yesterday we cleaned up the basement. And so we went to the dollar store. Gigo got a monster truck. Lizzie got toy money. Az got a Batmobile. Hot Wheels Batmobile. And I got a Barbie. Aspen didn't get anything. And then I got Allie Ring Pops. And I think we're really happy with all our stuff, right, Lizzie? I love it! She got toy money. Yeah.
This is the King's Summer Palace. Movie The King and I. He was the king that had this palace built. That's a turtle.
It's a turtle,
That's crazy.
right?
Yeah,
You saw that shell?
yeah. It looks like a sloth and a turtle mixed together to me. The king that had this palace, Rama V, he liked the European style of buildings better, so that's what he had built for his palaces, is the European style buildings. This is one of the palaces for the queens. There was the main queen that was married to the king, but then he had many concubines, and so each of the concubines was called a queen, and they all had a separate house. So there's all of these beautiful little houses that were for each of the concubines. This is called the Elephant Topiary Garden. It's a whole bunch of elephants made out of plants and just to be beautiful, I guess. This is the closest we're gonna get to riding an elephant in Thailand. Right, we've seen all the palaces, we've been through all of the beauty, and now we're sneaking away from the group to find a treat. It was a beautiful, peaceful summer palace. We had a good strawberry pineapple shake, and Johnny got a banana shake. And now we're gonna go get back on the bus, and we're going to the jewelry place now, right?
Ooh, rubies.
Rubies.
Yes, we're gonna go find rubies.
I don't know if you remember it. You probably don't, but Sarah and I used to do this in high school.
I do.
We had jewelry class together, and I was the reason she got a good grade.
It's
I
true.
did her work
He
for
knew
her.
how to do the work and I didn't, and so he would do it for me. I do remember
I did
that.
this jewelry, so I remember the way that they're doing it. They have like the cabochon, and they have like the grinding and all those different things. I did Sarah's work before we were even dating. That
did
was
some
over
of my
20
work.
years ago.
Good.
Over 20 years ago.
Those jewels were very beautiful rings.
We had a personal salesperson the whole entire time we were in there.
I could not shake her. She was like on my heels the whole
We
time.
couldn't film. Incredible, beautiful stuff, but very expensive. And we walked away with nothing.
Yeah. Except for I really wanted the $18 million necklace.
$18 million necklace.
It was crazy.
Chips.
Okay, Johnny,
Very
worm
tasty.
chip. Eat a worm. No, eat a worm.
Tastes
It's
like
a mealworm.
Tastes like French fry.
Okay, let's see a bamboo worm.
Bamboo worm.
Yeah.
Okay.
bamboo worm.
Let's
Look
see
at
it.
this, all those.
Very
Can you see
tasty.
close up?
Yeah, very tasty.
They don't look very tasty.
See?
Yeah.
You need a ketchup. I forget the ketchup.
Oh man.
Not bad, huh?
You gonna
Oh,
go for
good.
more?
Oh, not good.
Are you going for more?
Yeah. No, after
That's a
10,
big
you
one.
have to stop.
You have to stop after 10?
No, you cannot stop.
Right here.
It's crunchy.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Yummy.
It's the, you know, like the bag of chips where it says you just can't stop. Leaf says the worms
Oh,
you
yeah.
just can't stop.
Yeah, yummy.
We made it back to Bangkok and we're trying to get to the suit shop so the boys can try on their suits for the final fitting and so she can make any alterations that she needs to before we go. Super busy here, and then we're gonna go find some Indian food. Time has come. Johnny's gonna go try on his suit. Woo! Look at that hot man.
Oh, Johnny, wait, here it is.
Oh, I like it.
Maybe a
Pants.
bit tighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pants tighter.
Now it's
Okay, let's see the triple stiff.
That's your band name, the Triple Stiff.
Are we doing GQ?
The day Johnny becomes a man.
So we came in here for the boys to get their second fitting to make sure the suit was how they wanted it so that it can be delivered to us tonight. Kevin was sick the night that we came, so he wasn't able to get measured, and Johnny Hannah was sick, and so he wasn't able to get measured, so they're getting measured so they can get a suit. But Johnny and Bubba and Davey also decided that this is an opportunity we shouldn't pass up. So they are actually ordering a second suit to have it shipped to us when we get
Sarah
home.
talked me into it. How can I argue?
He always says, I wish I had a new suit. Every Sunday he's like, I need to get a new suit. I need to get a new suit. And this is such an awesome deal that we could not pass this up. He needed a new suit. All right, the second suit is written down in the books. We'll come back again tonight at 10 and check out the alterations on the new suit, and I guess, and give her our phone number, pay, everything like that.
Like, this is really Johnny, like, is a kid in a candy store in here. He would just get a million suits if he could.
Yeah, anything to make me look better, make it happen. That's why I married Sarah, so she makes me look better.
This restaurant ended up being the best food we've had in Thailand.
So good.
Indian delight in Thailand, in Bangkok.
All right, this is insane. This is traffic. Crazy. It's not moving anywhere at all. I'm so glad we're walking right now. This is nuts. Look at this. Look at all those motorcycle riders. Not moving. They're stopped at that light way up there. And there they go. All of a sudden the light gets opened up and everybody goes crazy. It's insane. I think there's some room on that one. I don't think I can like say it enough how crazy this is to me. It's just insane. Like, we almost got hit right there. It's like pure chaos, but it's like beautiful chaos. It's like they're interweaving and working together to get somewhere. It's craziness. Street music. And now we get on another boat. We have actually not been in this river, right?
No.
This is a big river. It's a big river. Hi there, puppy. Whoa, undressing the, oh, cover, oh. She just undressed the mannequin. Ah! Shopping is done. Are you happy about it?
I'm happy about it. I feel good about it. Got something for everybody.
Let's go, let's leave this place. Public display of affection is frowned upon in Thailand and in Bangkok. But I just can't resist. Never, ever, ever miss an opportunity to kiss your wife.
Or husband.
Look how beautiful it is behind us. We have like all these lights. We've got the Ferris wheel there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the moon right there, and that's the street light, but that's the moon right there. And then behind us are the boats in the river, and then all the city lights back there behind us. It's quite incredible, actually.
We gotta go home tomorrow, but we get to see our kids.
So excited to see the kids.
Oh, look at that swirl. Woo!
We sell suits, we sell happiness. Come on in.
Thank you. Oh, you want a hug too?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
You've
you.
been so good to us. Thank you.
Yes, you all too. You ขอบคุณมากเลยค่ะ
Yeah.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Johnny's so happy that he has a tailor in Thailand now.
I'm
That's
so
Taylor in
glad
Thailand.
too.
That's you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
When you wear
Bye.
the suit, miss me.
We will.
Finally finished up with the suits, and Sarah could not resist getting mango sticky rice.
Hey, this is kind of cool. Look at these guys.
They don't even know what's coming for them.
Thanks for watching. We love you. You are worth it. Bye.